A step-by-step guide on how to generate, activate, and print data pins. Introducing a new feature that you won't want to miss out on. Affordable data pin for offline data recharge. Firstly, you move your money from your primary wallet to DataPIN wallet specifically. To do that, you need to click on My Account. Then click on Move Funds. Type in the amount you want to move. Select DataPIN and proceed. In case DataPIN isn't visible on the left menu, reach out to the website's support team to request DataPIN activation. Now click on the DataPIN option and click on Generate DataPIN. Enter the required details, remembering to add your profit to the amount for DataPINs. Also, take time to choose the correct price and product you want to sell. After going over the details over and over, click on Generate DataPIN at the end of the page and your DataPINs will be generated. To make the DataPINs become active, you tap the DataPIN option and go to PIN history. On this page, you scroll to the far right and you'll have an Activate button, which will make the DataPINs ready to load. Following that, we'll cover obtaining your DataPIN file, sending it to customers, or preparing it for printing. Selecting the 20 per page download option is efficient for space management. However, choosing the 10 per page download option enhances the visibility of the DataPINs. Reach out to the support team from your dashboard.